Christina DiStefano. Thank you for joining me today. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video and taking a chance on me. I am a new YouTube channel, so I really appreciate you being here like you would not believe, but also I really hope to provide you with some value on this channel. So really quick about me, I am an interior design student. I have been working in real estate development and sales as a real estate broker in New York City for the last 10 plus years. I come from an art background and I am exploring interior design as kind of a return to a forgotten passion from my childhood. What brought this kind of return to this passion, or this forgotten passion, what brought it kind of up to the surface for me was when my husband and I closed on this house that I'm in right now. We got the house to a place where we wanted it to be, where we felt like good staying in it, so we could just stay here on the weekends because we still work in the city. Once we sell our condo in the city, we'll renovate and we'll live here full time. And so this interior design journey is all about me. Well, initially it was about me learning how to kind of design the interiors of our home, but I started realizing that I've always had a passion for design and for architecture, things like that. I mean, I work for a real estate developer in the city, so it kind of makes sense that I would go that route, like in real estate, but then come back to kind of finding me in this process. So thank you for being a part of this journey. This is kind of like my vlog slash log slash kind of entertainment channel slash sort of how to, I don't know, it's a lot of slashes, but I am here to kind of bring you along on the journey. And I think if you're someone who's thinking about interior design, or someone who's thinking about renovating or just redecorating your home, I think you'll get some value from this channel. So thank you for being here.